Hi, Susie. I'm 50 years old, divorced, and a single mom to 2 kids. I always worked hard, but without a college degree, I never got raises. So I went to school and earned my associate's, bachelor's, and master's degrees without taking any student loans. Now I'm earning a great salary, but playing catch-up with my retirement. My goal is to retire at 67, spend time with my family, and volunteer working with animals. Susie, how am I doing?
Cathy, was that English Springer Spaniel, was that your doggie?
Yes, it's actually a basset hound.
Oh, it's a basset hound. I see, without glasses, what do I know? Right. It looked like I used to have a little English Springer Spaniel by the name of Radcliffe. Loved her. Anyway, girlfriend, welcome to the Suze Orman Show. Here you are, single mom, doing it on her own. And may I say, you are doing a great job. Are you surprised when you look back how far you've really come on your own?
I'm very surprised.
Yeah. All of us have more potential in us than we have any idea. But you want to know, can you retire in 17 years at 67? If you are going to give yourself a grade, what grade would you give yourself?
I would give myself a C.
A C. All right, let's see what I give you. Let's show everybody first your money. So here we have Cathy, who is 50. She has $22,000 in a retirement plan right now. $22,000 in an emergency fund right now. $52,000 in investments, $180,000 home, which she owes $133,000 on. So between her debt and her assets, at the age of 50, she has a net worth of $143,000, but she wants to retire in 17 years. We have income here of $5,225. That's her take home. We have monthly expenses of $2,892. So that leaves her in excess of $2,333 a month, which she is using to fund her Roth IRA and to put money in a savings account and everything like that. Now, Cathy, if I were going to give you a grade, if you continue to do everything exactly like you are doing it, the grade I would give you is a D. And the reason I would give you a D, listen closely, is because I've set a goal for you at the age of 67 of about $3,800 a month. If you do everything like you're doing right now, you're still going to have 4 more years left on your primary mortgage. And other things are going on. So with everything, I only have $3,667 a month for you after taxes. I have a $3,800 a month goal for you, which is still cutting it close. You know, at $3,800, you don't have the money if you continue to do everything the way that you're doing it. But there's hope, because here is your way to an A. So take notes, girlfriend. First of all, I want you to get a living revocable trust. I need you to get at least a 10-year level term insurance policy for $500,000 to protect your kids. After that is in place, I want you to cancel this whole life insurance policy that you have been paying on for 20 years. It makes absolutely no sense. If you were to cash out these policies, it would give you $21,000. It will not be taxable to you because you've paid in more than you're going to withdraw. I then want you to take that money, and I want $15,000 of it to do what? To pay off your home equity line of credit that you currently have that you're paying $215 a month on. You will have $6,000 left from your cash out. You're going to take that, put it in your emergency fund. The $215 a month that you were paying towards your home equity line of credit, you now are going to pay towards your primary mortgage. So at the age of 67, your mortgage will be paid off. Please check with your mortgage company to make sure that that's all you need to pay off the mortgage at 67 or even before that. If you do all of those things, then your necessary goal at that point, because you don't have a mortgage, would be about $3,200 rather than the $3,800 that I had you at. You'll be still bringing home $3,667 after taxes. So you could do it if you wanted to. If you really wanted to be safe and sound and secure, the best thing you could do would be to work till 70 That would give you so much more money. Take Social Security at 70. That could give you $1,000, $2,000 more a month, believe it or not, with everything involved. And that would be your way to an A+. But you could probably do it at the age of 67 if you do everything that I just told you to do.